What's the meaning of contractor? Contractor. Contractor.
Contractor. Contractor. A contractor is an individual or company that is hired to perform a specific task or project for a client. They are typically responsible for providing their own equipment, materials, and labor to complete the project within a certain timeframe and budget. Contractors can work in a variety of industries, including construction, consulting, and information technology. The relationship between a contractor and client is often governed by a contract that outlines the scope of work, payment terms, and other important details. Overall, contractors provide specialized skills and services to clients in exchange for compensation.